Okay, let's start with the newest group. Here we have the first problem, which is 7 powered by 1 plus 1 powered by 7. So 7 powered by 1 plus 1 powered by 7, which equals 7 powered by 1, which is 7, the same, and 1 powered by any number, it will be the same 1. So 7 plus 1 equals 8. Here he said that 4x bigger than 16y and 5y bigger than 25z. So he want to get relation between x and y and z. How can we get it? Okay, first we will simplify it by dividing here by 4 and here by 4 the same. So x bigger than 4y. This is the first part. The second part, we will divide here by 5 and here by 5. So y bigger than 25 over 5, it will be 5z. So now we have y bigger than 5z and x bigger than 4y. So it's meaning that x bigger than y and y bigger than z. So the relationship will be x bigger than y bigger than z. So we will choose A. Here we have 4 powered by negative 2 powered by negative 1. If we have two powers, we will multiply them by each other. So negative 2 times negative 1, which is 4 powered by 2, which equals to 16, which is meaning 4 times 4. So the answer will be 16. Here we have x over y powered by negative 4 powered by 2 the same. If we have two powers, we will times the powers. So x over y powered by negative 8, which equals to, we have here negatives, okay? Here we don't have any negatives in the choice. So how can we get it? If we switch it, it will be y over x powered by 8. So we can choose y over x powered by 8. Next one, we have 9 powered by 7 minus 9 powered by 5 over 9 powered by 4 minus 9 powered by 3. If you've found that we have the same numbers here and here and here and here, so we will take 9 as a common factor in the up and in the down. Here we will take the power of the smaller one, so we will take here 5, and down we will take the power of the smaller one, so we will take the 3, okay, and then open brackets. If we take from here 9 powered by 5, the remaining will be 9 power 2, and if we take from here 9 powered by 5, the remaining will be nothing, so it will be 1. Down the same, if we take 9 powered by 3 from here, so the remaining will be 9 powered by 1, which is only 1, and here if we take 9 powered by 3, the remaining will be 1. And then we can solve this number, this factor with this factor by subtracting them. So 9 powered by 5 minus 3, because it's a division, and here we have 9 powered by 2, which is 81, and here then minus 1, and in the down we have 9 minus 1, which is 8. Okay, so 9 powered by 5 minus 3, it will be 9 powered by 2, and here 81 minus 1 equals 80, and down we have 8. So 80 divided by 8, it will be 10. So we have here 9 powered by 2 times 10, and 9 powered by 2, which is 81, times 10, it will be 810. Next one, here we have 3 over 4 powered by x plus 5, and here we have 2 and 10 over 27 powered by negative 2. If we have question like this one, we will try to make them the same numbers here and like here, okay? So if we have here 3 over 4, we will try to make here the same 3 over 4. So how can we do it? First we will solve the second part, which is this one, which is 2 times 27 plus 10, to make it as a fraction. So in the down 27, and in the up it will be 2 times 27 plus 10, 2 times 27, it will be 54. 54 and 10, it will be 64, and all of them powered by a negative 2. Okay, can we simplify this part to be 3 over 4? Yes, we can simplify it, but it will be 4 over 3 powered by 3 powered by negative 2, which we have. Okay, now we will multiply them by each other, so it will be 4 over 3 powered by negative 6. Okay, now we have this fraction. How can we convert it to be 3 over 4 like this one? We can switch it, so it will be 3 over 4 powered by 6. Okay, so now they are the same. 3 over 4 powered by x plus 7 equals 3 over 4 powered by 6. So x plus 5 equals 6. So x equals, we will take 5 here, it will be 6 minus 5. So x equals 1. So the answer will be A, 1. Okay. Okay, here we have 9 powered by 3 times 3 equals x powered by 7. He wants you to get x, the same type. We will try to make this part like this part. How can we do it? First, we will break it into the simpler form. So, here we can do it as 3 powered by 2 powered by 3. And the 3 we will put it here equals x powered by 7. And then times the powers, so 3 powered by 6 times 3 equals x powered by 7. Now it's multiplication, so we will add the powers. Here we have 6 and here we have 1. So it will be 3 powered by 7 equals x powered by 7. So we have the same powers, so x equals 3. Next one, we have 4 powered by x plus 1 times 2 powered by x plus 1 over 8 powered by x equals 2 powered by y, and he wants you to get y. The same, I will try to make here 2 like this part. How can we do it? We will simplify as we can. 4, we can simplify it to 2 powered by 2, and we have the basic power, which is x plus 1, times here 2, which is powered by x plus 1. And down, we can simplify 8 to be 2 powered by 3, and the basic power, which is x. Okay, and then we will times here by here and then divide by here. So we will, if it's multiplication, we will add the powers. If it's a division, we will subtract the powers. So here 2 times x plus, it will be 2 times x, because we will multiply 2 by all the fraction, right? So 2 times x and 2 times 1. 2 times x, it will be 2x, and 2 times 1, it will be 2 times 2 again, which is this one, and down, which is 2 powered by 3x. Here it's powered by 1. So in multiplication, we will add the powers, so 2x plus 2 plus 1, and then subtract from it the denominator, which is 3x, because we have the same number. Okay, now solve it. 2x, sorry, we have here x. Okay, so it's x plus 1, so we have here again x. Okay, so 2x minus 3x plus x, they will go with each other, because it will be 3x minus 3x. And here we have 2 plus 1, so it will be 3, which is meaning 8. So the answer, sorry, not 8, it's we finals with that we have 2 powered by 3. Okay, he said in the first that all of them equals to 2 powered by y. So we have here the same numbers, so y equals 3. So y equals 3. So the answer will be A. Here we have 5 powered by x equals 6, and we have 6 powered by y equals 5, and he wants you to get xy. Okay, it's repeated very much. Okay, so how can we get it? 5 powered by x equals 6, Okay, so if we convert this 6 to 6 power by y, we can replace it with 5, okay, to get the value of xy. So 6, if we power here by y, and here we will do the same powering by y. So 5xy equals 6 power by y, okay, and here we have that 6 power by y equals 5, so we can replace it by 5, okay. So now we have the same number, but we have different powers. So here the power is 1, so xy equals 1. So the answer will be B. Here we have 10 power by negative 7 times 1 over 10 power by negative 5. We will try to do it all 10. How can we do it? Here we have 10 power by negative 7. So we will switch it to be 1 over 10 power by 7. And here the same, we want to delete negative. So it will be 10 power by 5. Now we can solve it as division. It's 10 power by 5 over 10 power by 7. If we have division, so we will subtract the powers. So 5 minus 7, which is meaning 10 power by negative 2, or it will be down or and up. The 7, it will be negative 2, right? So I will make it negative power by negative 2 or 1 over 10. Okay, so which one we will choose? They are the same. Okay, they are the same. Okay, so we will look to the choices. If we have this one or this one. Here we have 10 power by negative 2.